Knowing that like this breakthrough could be a part of my future gives me a lot of hope.
The main reasons why we came over here was for some of the most advanced research in spinal cord injury in the world.
Good news is that we have started the trial. By saying the trial, I mean that we have opened up expressions of interest for people to apply. It's taken quite a while to get to this point. We had a lot of approvals to get through. So it's a great achievement for everyone. We've developed a cell transplantation therapy to repair spinal cord injury. The cell transplantation therapy uses specialised cells from the nose. If we take those cells and apply them to the spinal cord, maybe we can help those cells to clean up the injury site in the spinal cord, release those growth factors to stimulate the nerve cells to grow, and then to provide that physical surface to grow across. What we're so proud of is that this trial has been co-designed with the spinal cord injury community, rehab partners, clinicians, industry partners, and many other stakeholders so that we had the best possible design for this trial. We opened up the expressions of interest in mid-August, and then only 2 weeks from that point, we had over 500 people apply to be part of the trial. From this point, we'll select 2 people to be the first participants in the trial, and every 2 months after that, we'll add on about another 1 to 2 people. About 20% of people who have spinal cord injury are female, 80% are male.
Obviously being someone so young and obviously a female in an injury like this, that's more male dominant. It's great to see that like girls and women are involved in a trial like this, and it gives us hope as well.
Women will automatically bring a different perspective to men, and it might not be better or it might not be worse, but it's different, and for a trial like this to succeed, it'll need all the different perspectives it can get.
If we only have 20% of people in the trial being female, we won't have enough women to know whether they are responding or not responding to the therapy. We have a broad range of injuries that are going to be suitable. We want to make it as inclusive as possible, but we can't have every type of injury. So we're working very hard to make sure that into the future, our trial is going to be suitable for different types of injuries. But for this particular trial, it has to be just a more restricted sort of range of injuries.
Right now I'm focusing about getting stronger in my independence and navigating obviously this injury through my teenage years, and trying to mentally just like being hopeful and positive, always trying to look at the best in this injury.
I am a pretty firm believer in te whare tapawhā, which in my Māori culture is kind of the pillars of well-being. It includes spiritual, mental, physical and social. Thriving in all these areas is ultimately helping me to maintain a positive mindset and lead into this trial.
At the end of the trial, we hope to show that this therapy is safe and feasible for treating chronic spinal cord injury, and hopefully treat a broader range of injuries as well.
Having this like on the horizon for my future just gives me a lot of hope to like want to do things that I couldn't do with my friends now, but could hopefully do again.
It's so important to be able to achieve something that is going to be life-changing for so many people.
Hi, I'm MC Wheels, one of the hosts of abiliTV, a program full of inspiring stories and incredible talents, all brought to you by a dedicated team of individuals with disabilities. If you like our content, hit subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're the first to know when we upload. And don't forget to check out our other videos.